Okay, let's start now. The screen is visible, na? Everything is fine, friend.
Hello, Ravi.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes,
In a
yes,
UML
Sachin. Yes.
diagram, in a UML diagram, driver manager data source and one name is wrong. I think in UML diagram, you are not taken class name.
Yes, yes. Don't mind that much, yeah. First time actually, because of my system hang, right?
Okay, okay,
I created one more time. Okay, na. Don't take that much here in the application. The things is going good, na.
okay. No issue. Thank
So okay, na. So think about that one. Our coding is going good or not? Just
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
to
Okay,
why I'm giving the UML diagram to make image. You people will able to image the things. Okay, now so because
okay,
of that I created, and based on the UML diagram, if I'm explaining right, then you people will get the easiest way, right? So don't
okay,
worry about that.
okay,
And
okay.
I created second time, right? I created these things is the second time. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, come here in the transaction, right? So we have need in the all things we completed, right? All these things will completed, okay, now. So after then, what is that? Come here, okay, now return the this bean class, okay. After returning this bean class, what we will do now? Now this much things will completed, okay. So till now the things is completed, right? Till now the things is completed, okay. From here to here, this much operation we completed, right? Using spring classes, using predefined spring classes, okay, na. This is the one time setup. So, but still Hibernate, we have need to, if we want to work on Hibernate methods, right? So we have need that this is what template design pattern, na. Hibernate template design pattern internally, it we by using this much classes, right? Our Hibernate template use what? Spring Hibernate ORM, right? Hibernate ORM, and we can able to perform what operations. So for that one more method we have need or not. So what is that? Public, what is this? Hmm, my system is hanging too much. Okay, public, what is this? Hibernate Hibernate template, right? HT. Okay. After then, what is this? Come here. Okay, na? Hibernate template. Here again, we will. So we no need Hibernate having the constructor, right? So just return new Hibernate template, right? It's a Hibernate template to perform all those operations. What is that? It's having need this one session, local session factory only, right? So it's also having need dot get bean, right? Get bean, it's a session factory. Okay, so if we want to make this one what at the rate bean, then we will apply at the rate bean annotation, right? So, okay, all till now configuration we completed, right? So now our own, let's write our own code and we see that, right? Let's see that, okay? So from here to here, all operation using predefined classes, Spring predefined classes, okay, na? Predefined classes, I completed this much operation. So this is called what? Project environment setup. Till now, the things we completed, or think about that 3 hour onward. Just I am explaining these things. Okay, na. So okay, fine, friend. Okay, na, fine. So let's move on. So still we have need. What is that? What is that? In the configuration class, which annotate Hibernate transaction, we are using that, right? Hibernate to enable the Hibernate transaction management. What is that annotation? At the rate enable, right? Enable transaction management, we will apply this annotation. After then what? One more annotation to scan the packages. What is that? Component scan pack, we will apply. Inside that we will give what? Com dot just rk, right? RK base package we will give. All annotation, whatever the required, see component scan, property configuration and enable transaction. These and auto hire one time and transactional management transaction. This one we will use what in the service class. Okay, na? We will use in the service class. Fine. Okay. Okay, now configuration is completed. Okay, now configuration is completed. So shall we take for the what 4:44 is there, right? So 5 o'clock means 16 minutes. Can we take the break, friend? Huh? If you people then I can continue. It's not meaning that okay, na continuously 3 hour onward I'm speaking. Okay, so just because of that I'm asking. If you people ready, then let's take 15-minute break. Just 15-minute break. Okay, na? I will drink the tea. I will take the tea. Then I will.
Yes. Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, but don't go because you know the now we are going to perform all operations, select, update, delete operation. Now setup, just we completed the setup, right? Setup and the project is still, the work is left. Okay, na? So don't come back within the 15. 4:45 is happening here, right? So 5 o'clock sharp, 5 o'clock we will return back. Okay, na? Okay, so give me the time, me also time, and you people also take the tea, and we will back within the 5 minutes. Okay, na? Thank you so much, and let's stop the session here only and come back within the 15 minutes.